Hey Team Numis Canada, that's what I call my subscribers and members. Hello coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Today we have friend mail, and this time it comes from Micah Matthieson. And that's what we have here. And we'll follow that up with an interview from the Westboro Coin Show, where we will have an individual talking about some banknotes, and we'll get into that after we see what Micah has sent us in this package. So stay tuned and we'll be right back just after this. Welcome back. And so I've already opened this because I wasn't sure what it was, but we will take a look at this. And of course there's an envelope in there, and we have in here a Lego brick separator, which is used for coin roll hunting. And of course this opens coin rolls without damaging the coins. So that is pretty cool because you can leverage it with that, with this fine edge right there. And of course it can open a coin roll. But that's not what they have in here. So let's take a look, and we'll see we have a banknote, which is 5,000 5,000 colones. 5,000 colones from Costa Rica. And this is Acuerdo number 5. And this is from 2018 Series C. And 5,000 colones, and on the back it has this monkey on a tree, and as you can see, this is a see-through area. It has a picture of this gentleman here, and you can actually see through it. And it is serial number C0068777072. And the serial number is here and here. And I don't have a black light to show you what the security features are, but I'm just looking at this, I can see that there are security features, because that is this is doing a rainbow of light, a green ring that moves, and so I believe it would be very difficult to make forgeries out of this. And let's go in here. Now, not everything is a Costa Rica dollar. We have here a couple of things that are rather surprising. And let's bring this out. And we have a silver 1961 quarter. And it is a Philadelphia, I believe, because I don't see a Denver mint mark. 1961, and it is a silver quarter. So thank you very much, Micah. That is a very lovely 1961 silver quarter. Now we have another quarter here, and this one is from 2022, and it is a Denver, and it is Wilma Mankiller. And of course, I'll give you photographs of this. And I don't think I have a Wilma Mankiller in my US collection yet. So thank you very much for that. And we have here an interesting Sacagawea dollar. It is two-tone. So that is a golden color, and that is a silver color. So it's I'm not sure what the significance of this Sacagawea dollar is, but it is Great Law of Peace, the United States of America, $1. Hadino Sane. And I believe this is a Philadelphia as well. And of course we have another foreign coin here. We have 10 pesos, or 10 pesos from 2024, and that has an M mint mark, which I believe is from Mexico City, and it is Estados Unidos Mexicana, and of course it has the eagle with a snake. And on this side, the mask or calendar. I'm not sure whether it's a calendar or mask, but it's a lovely coin. Interestingly, this one is the gold color with the silver in the middle too. And on the other side, this side looks all the golden color, but that looks like maybe it's just my eyesight. I don't know, but it does look silver. So Micah, thank you very, very much. That is a very cool package that you've sent me of these 4 coins and one banknote. Thank you so much. I'm not sure why you did it. So if that you wanted me to have this, is it just to give you, Micah Matthieson, some exposure on the channel, or is it because you really wanted to help this channel grow with seeing some friendships and a package sent? So thank you, Micah. And now we head off to the Ottawa Westboro Coin Show, and we have this special video of one of the vendors there presenting some banknotes and he has a message for Emmanuel's workbench in this as well. So by all means, stay tuned and watch that. I'm here with an old friend that I met at the RCNA quite a while ago, and he has a few things to show us.
Hi, I'm the unknown guy. This is a near rotator.
Okay.
Because of the font of the 8, it doesn't make a nice 8 upside down.
Okay.
It's called a near rotator because it's got 8 in it. But if a good near rotator, for a rotator note, you need 6, 9s, and 0s because they can turn upside down. It's even better when it's, let's say, 606 0909. It's a complete rotator.
Okay. Very cool. So you can look for those in your
note searches
pocket. When looking through your banknotes you get from the bank.
Okay. Here's a very high serial number. So I had to look at that. Sorry, I'll say it again. 998 9,587. So it's 9,989,000. It's almost 10 million.
Okay.
And our friend Emmanuel Workbench.
Yeah.
He collects high serial numbers, and I haven't ran into him. Me and Bruce met up with Emmanuel at the National Gallery in 23. It was June. Was it 23? One day we hooked up.
Yeah.
Met with his wife and his son. Here's another high serial number on a 5, and this is for Emmanuel. It's 9,622,734. I don't know.
And Emmanuel, if you're watching, contact him for it, because I know you. Thank you.
I'm one of his old G friends.
I thank you, Emmanuel, because you're a very loyal viewer.
Okay. Here's another. This is a historic long ring note. It's in very rough shape. And on the back of the serial number, it's FWW. And FWW is a unique letter code, or FW letter code is they use 40,360,000 notes taken out of the FW letter code for the historic longest reign. The longest reigning monarch in the planet Earth is Queen Elizabeth II. So the serial number on this is 565,101. It wouldn't grade. It wouldn't be worth sending into grading, because to put a slab on it, a Canadian slab is like $15. Mm-hmm. This note is not even $25. So you're not even. You got more money invested in it. Anyways, that's it. Thank you very much, my friends.
And you have a very unusual foreign banknote from Fiji.
Yes, this is a Fiji note, which I got from one of the dealers here, a note specialist.
Okay, and I think we've spoken to him.
So this is from the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo. The Fiji rugby team won a gold medal. There was a blue note, and this is the yellow note.
And that's a team on the reverse.
And if I had a UV A or B, the metals on the back light up under a UV light.
And that's very cool, because it's a $7 bill. And of course, my Americans barely tolerate a $2 bill, let alone a $7 bill.
Yes. So I want to say thank you to the audience of my good friend Bruce here. And it's always fun running into Bruce, and we'll run into each other soon. Thank you.
And leave your comments below. And let me know, what is your favorite thing from this video? Is it the 1961 silver quarter? Is it the Wilma Mankiller quarter? Is it the duotoned Sacagawea dollar? Is it the duotoned 10 pesos? Mexican 10 pesos? Or is it the 5,000 colones from Costa Rica? They're all very interesting, and I thank Micah for sending that off to us. Have a great day, and we'll see you again later. Bye for now.